Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Khatai biscuits. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of softened unsalted butter, and half a cup of powdered sugar. Also, prepare 1/4 cup of fine semolina and a small pinch of aromatic cardamom powder. These simple components are the foundation for creating perfectly crumbly and flavorful Khatai. Now, let's prepare the dough. In a large bowl, cream together the softened butter and powdered sugar for about 3 to 5 minutes until the mixture is light and fluffy. In a separate bowl, sift the all-purpose flour, semolina, and cardamom powder. Gradually incorporate these dry ingredients into the creamed butter mixture. Mix gently until a soft, pliable dough forms, being careful not to overknead it. Next, we will shape and bake our Khatai. Begin by preheating your oven to 160 degrees Celsius or 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Take small, equal-sized portions of the dough and gently roll each into a smooth, round ball. Arrange these shaped biscuits onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving a little space between each. Bake them for approximately 15 to 20 minutes, or until they are lightly golden at the edges. Once baked, it is crucial to cool your Khatai properly. Let the biscuits rest on the baking sheet for about 10 minutes immediately after removing them from the oven. Then, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This step ensures they achieve their perfect crumbly texture. Once fully cooled, store your delicious Khatai in an airtight container at room temperature, where they will remain fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.